P block element 1, sheet or pyrosilicate. Sheet or pyrosilicate. What is meant by sheet or pyrosilicate? Silicates which contain Si2O5N2 minus are called sheet or pyrosilicate. Already we discussed about double chain silicate, and we are now discussing about pyrosilicate. In this, each SiO4 4 minus tetrahedron unit shares 3 oxygen atoms with the other, and thus by forming 2-dimensional sheet. So this is the main point. In this, each SiO4 4 minus ion tetrahedron unit share 3 oxygen atoms, not 4, 3 oxygen atoms with the others, and thus forming 2-dimensional sheet like paper called pyrosilicates. These sheets silicates form layered structures in which silicate sheets are stacked over each other. So all the sheet silicates form a layered like structure. That means like graphite, in which silicate sheets are stacked over each other. ஒன்றன் மீது ஒன்றாக அடுக்கப்பட்டுள்ளன. ஒவ்வொரு சீட்டும் நம்ம ஒரு A4 சீட்டை அடுக்கி வைக்கிறது மாதிரி ஒரு சீட்டுக்கு மேலே ஒரு சீட்டுக்கு மேலே ஒரு சீட்டுக்கு மேலே ஒன்றன் மீது ஒன்றாக, அதான் ஸ்டாக்கடு ஓவர் ஈச் அதர். தி அட்ராக்டிவ் ஃபோர்ஸஸ் பிட்வீன் தீஸ் லேயர் ஆர் வெரி வீக் அண்ட் ஹென்ஸ் can be cleaved easily just like graphite. In graphite also, each graphite sheet is linked by very weak van der Waals forces of attraction. Like that here also, each sheet are linked by a very weak force, hence they can be cleaved easily just like graphite. Example, talc, mica, etc. Now, structure of sheet or pyrosilicate. This is the structure of sheet and pyrosilicate, in which the 3 oxygen atoms are shared by the neighboring SiO4 4 minus ion. Any SiO4 4 minus ion you take 1, 2, 3. All the SiO4 4 minus ions are shared. Now we are going to see how this structure is drawn. Now we are going to see how to draw the structure of sheet or pyrosilicate. One SiO4 4 minus ion, oxygen, then oxygen. At the center we know one silicon atom is surrounded by one oxygen. So when you join all these, all the 4 oxygen atom with the center silicon atom, you will get one SiO4 4 minus ion. Another tetrahedral structure. At the center we have one silicon atom that is surrounded by one oxygen atom. All the 4 oxygen atoms are now joined with the center silicon atom. Again, one oxygen at the silicon at the center. Now that silicon is surrounded by one oxygen. Each oxygen atom, that means 4 oxygen atoms are linked. Again, one silicate. At the center we have one oxygen, one silicon that is surrounded by one oxygen. All the oxygen atoms are joined with the center silicon. Again, one SiO4 4 minus ion. This is your silicon. We are drawing the structure of sheet or pyrosilicate. Now reverse of it, and here you have one oxygen, here you have one oxygen, at the center one silicon that is surrounded by oxygen. Now all the 4 oxygen atoms are joined with the center silicon. Then reverse of this, one oxygen, here one oxygen, center one silicon that is surrounded by one oxygen, corner oxygen and the above oxygen are linked. Then another oxygen atom, at the center we have one silicon. When we join all the oxygen with the central silicon, we get one SiO4 unit. Reverse of this SiO4, at the center one silicon, again one oxygen. By joining all these, we will get one SiO4. Then reverse of this one, at the center one silicon, here you have one oxygen, 1, 2, 3, all the oxygen atoms are linked. Again one more oxygen, at the center one silicon, oxygen, all the oxygen atoms are joined. This is one sheet. To draw another sheet, starting from this one, oxygen, oxygen, center one silicon that is surrounded by oxygen. Slowly the double or pyrosilicate is formed. Then reverse of this, we have to draw one oxygen, another oxygen, center silicon surrounded by perpendicular oxygen. So all the corner oxygens are added. Then now below, reverse of this, we have to draw here one oxygen, silicon surrounded by oxygen, surrounded by oxygen. Then above this one oxygen, at the center we have one silicon that is surrounded by oxygen, 1, 2, 3, all the oxygen atoms are joined. Then reverse of this, here you have one oxygen, at the center silicon that is surrounded by one oxygen. We are joining all the 4 oxygen atom with the center silicon. So here one oxygen, at the center silicon, here you have one oxygen. If we join all, we will get one SiO4 unit. Reverse of this, oxygen, then at the center we have one silicon that is surrounded by one oxygen, 1, 2, 3. Then with this one silicon atom surrounded by one oxygen. By joining all these, we will get. So this chain continues, that is indicated by this continuous bond and this continuous bond. Here also this chain continues, here one bond, here one bond. It works one sheet, another sheet. This sheet continuous. So this is your structure of sheet or pyrosilicate. Now you know how to draw the structure. This is a 2-dimensional structure. and this is about structure of sheet or pyrosilicate. Thank you.